Hey, what's up guys? You are watching Hawk Glenn TV and you're with me, Glenn Season. And I have to show my first Android application from the course MIT 303 from the NDDU. Alright, so for our first Android application, we have this activity number 1. Alright, so we are to create this bruschetta recipe. Alright, so why Java and Android? So I will not read that one. Okay, so for our first activity here, I have installed here on my Android phone. Alright, so we have to unlock it. We will have this bruschetta recipe. Right, so it's pronounced as bruschetta because I'm a fan of an Italian cooking show. Giada de Laurentiis. Where's my bruschetta? Alright, so letter B. By the way, it is called Healthy Recipes. Okay, the app itself is called Healthy Recipes, and there it is. Here. Let's click that one. It says Healthy Recipe, and we have the bruschetta recipe, and it is scrollable. So the expected output, we have first the constraint layout, second is make your screen scrollable, then the third is 2 layouts for output. We have the portrait and the landscape. Alright, so for bruschetta recipe, for activity number 1, we have here bruschetta recipe. We'll click the view recipe. It displays the recipe of the bruschetta. We have the ingredients: 4 plum tomatoes, 6 basil leaves, 3 cloves garlic, 3 garlic cloves chopped, 3 tablespoon olive oil. Ayan. So direction is combine all the ingredients to add salt to taste. Top French bread slice with mixture. So for our landscape format, we have to enable our auto rotate. And we have to tilt our phone. There it is. So, wait a second. So bruschetta recipe on my landscape format, and let me view the recipe. So it's still scrollable here, there. So that is alright. So that is for our first activity, the first Android application, which is the Healthy Recipes. Bye-bye.